Welcome to this Mockplus video. Today, we're talking about the Sketch plugin and how Sketch and Mockplus can streamline your online design collaboration workflow. First, go to the Mockplus website and install the Sketch plugin. Go into Sketch and log into the Mockplus plugin, and then you're ready to go. In the plugin, choose the team and project you would like to import into. I'm going to add a new project to the team of I for my language learning app. In Sketch, select your desired asset that you want to export. Then click Mark Exportable in the lower right hand corner. Then click Export Selected. When in Mockplus, you can see that the details of the asset, including the layer specs, have automatically been generated. And you can change the asset resolution and pixel density depending on your needs. For iOS, at 1x, 2x and 3x, Android, MDPI and various DPI, and web at 1x and 2x. Back in the plugin, you can choose the upload resolution according to your needs. Now, in our latest update of the Mockplus plugin, we've added the ability to automatically detect which artboard resolution you're using, so you don't need to dig around for the specific resolution you need. To upload your design, you have three options: upload all pages, upload all artboards, this uploads all the artboards on the current page to Mockplus, and upload selected artboards. This time, I just want to upload this selected artboard. After uploading, I can find my artboard in my storyboard. To see design spec details, double click on artboard to go into single page view and click onto development on the top navbar. When I click on an element, the property panel appears on the right, where I can see its properties, relevant style codes and other details. And when I click on an asset layer, I can view its details and download it in a variety of formats. Now, back in Sketch, I've added color to my design and made a change on my artboard. When I go back to upload the artboard again, the plugin then asks if I want to cover the existing state as an update to the original artboard, overwriting the original, or to add the new state as an addition to the original state. I want to upload as a new state. What this does is, it adds a state to your artboard in Mockplus on top of the original existing state. And I can see both page states by clicking between the two on the upper left buttons. I can even play a carousel between the states. Back in the plugin, there are many more options in the settings page for you to explore. If you select Spec Includes Extension Area, your marked assets will include all extension areas such as shadows, borders and blurs. Check out the difference between the two artboards here. By using Mockplus and Sketch together, you really up your collaboration game and take your designs to the next level by working on your design online together.